Sky and candy clouds.
Hey Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay Divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit from Miss Diva hair on Amazon. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But anywho, I'm just unboxing everything. Today we have a 10-inch bob with the blonde streak, and it came with a wig cap, and it just came in a plain Ziploc bag. So I think they definitely need to improve like on the packaging. But anywho, here is the cap construction. It is average head friendly. I do have a larger size head, so it'll fit if you do have a larger size head, but it is average head friendly. It is a 13x6. And it does come with 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And the hairline is pre-plucked, which looks really good. So I'm just going to go in and off camera bleach the knots. And then here I'm showing you guys a full 360 of the unit. And then of course I'm going to go in and make it work for me. And then I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so let's just jump right into how I feel about it. So this bob is really cute. It is just your basic 13x6 bob, but what makes it stand out are these 2 streaks in the front. This has been trending for quite some time, but I think it's really cute accent to add to the bob. Even if you have like your own bob at home and you want to do this, or if not, if you don't know how to do it, then girl, I'll put the link in the description box below for this one, because you know, sometimes the colors don't come out like how you envision it. Like you could follow each step, but it doesn't always come out. So I totally understand that. I feel like this bob has a really nice density. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding, no tangling obviously, because this hair is like way too short to be tangling. Like if it was tangling, it would have been a real big problem. But yeah, so I did experience some shedding, no tangling, which is really good. The parting space is good. I did go in and bleach the knots, added my powder, or laid it down, added my foundation, my MAC foundation, as well as my powder to the parting area. And yeah, I feel like it overall looks good. Now this unit has like a lot of pros, but it has some cons to it as well. Not necessarily for me, but I want to point out some things in case like you're expecting something else, or you're a different kind of diva where you're like, I was expecting this. So as you guys can see, I laid this wig down completely and it did pretty good. It did fit my head, which is really good, which means that this is big head friendly, girl. Okay, so I feel like it looks really good, honestly, in my personal opinion. Now this might be too thick for some people, but I'm used to seeing a thick hairline on myself, because before I shaved off my edges, my hairline was very thick, so I don't mind that. So over here, like about this area, it is a little bit more full. However, I feel like it's acceptable because it matches my own hairline, so it's kind of like I get my hairline back. Here in the center part, it's more pre-plucked, as you guys can see, because all this is lace. So it looks very natural, and I really do like that. So yeah, as you guys can see over here, it's even more full. So if you know, was expecting the sides to be pre-plucked, they are not pre-plucked like that. However, I feel like it's still acceptable, and most of the time you're only parting in this region here, so that doesn't really matter, but I do not want to deceive you guys in any way. I want you guys to know, you know, the ins and outs before you purchase this unit. The density on this hair is really, really nice. Not too thin, not too full. You guys know I love big hair, but you know, when it comes to a bob, you want to kind of tone it down a little bit. You don't want your bobs to be too thick, because I feel like the thicker it is, sometimes with a bob, it might be a little bit stiff, no matter how much body you try to add to the hair. So I think this is a pretty fair density. I also really like the way that they plucked the hairline. I bleached the knots, and that was pretty much it. I didn't do any further customization. So I feel like this is a really, really nice, you know, I feel like it's a throw on and go after you bleach it, of course. Now if you want to wear this before it's bleached, you can definitely add powder to the lace, and I feel like it will be fine because it is pre-plucked. So it's all personal preference. I like to bleach my units, so yeah, that's just, you know, that's something that's up to you, girl. So I also feel like it was very easy to style, and I love how much body it has. It's very simple. Now, talking about their packaging needs to definitely be upgraded, because this is basically like a Ziploc bag and that's it. Like, there's no stock card, no information or nothing like that. So they definitely need to go ahead and upgrade that. But overall, I am very satisfied with the unit itself. They did a very, very good job. This has 13x6 parting area, so, and the parting space looks really good, as you guys can see. So overall, I am impressed with this unit. Even though it's like a simple bob with some highlight accents, I feel like this is a really cute look for the summertime, and I would definitely recommend it because it's super duper affordable for the quality of this unit. Not only do you get good quality hair, but you get these highlights in the front as well as a pre-plucked hairline. And you get 13x6 parting area, which is always good because you can be very versatile. You guys know the middle part is my thing, and if you didn't know, girl, I love and live for a middle part. But you can go ahead and wear this unit half up, half down if you wanted to. You can wear it to the right, left, deep side part, whatever you want to do, whatever your heart desires. This has enough space on it for you to be able to do that. The hair is very soft, did not come with a smell. So overall, I am impressed with this unit, and I would definitely recommend it. And if you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below. But yeah, Divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, Divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.